If you're having trouble launching Microsoft Store, here are some things to try. Method 1. Delete local cache. Open the Run command window using Windows key plus R. Type sreset.exe. Click OK. A command prompt should display, and now your cache would be cleared. Method 2. Run the Windows Troubleshooter. Press the Windows key button. Type Settings and hit Enter. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Wait a few seconds for the items to appear. Scroll down, you will see Windows Store apps. Click on it. Click Run the Troubleshooter. Windows Store apps window will appear running processes to detect and fix any problems. Please wait patiently until the process is completed. If that doesn't help either, then you can also reset the Microsoft Store app. Method 3. Reset the Microsoft Store app. Press the Windows key button, type Settings and hit Enter. Click Apps. In the right pane, you will see a search box named Search this list. Click on it and type Store. You will see the search result is Microsoft Store. Click on it. Click Advanced Options. Scroll down. You will see a section called Reset. Click Reset and wait for the process to complete. Method 4. Reinstall the Microsoft Store application. Press the Windows key, type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell. Click Run as administrator. Click Yes if a message appears on the screen. At the command prompt, type the following, then hit Enter. Exit PowerShell, then restart.